Welcome to this tutorial on using the Vintage Photobooth template in Figma. In this session you will be guided through the process of accessing Figma, signing in using your Google account, navigating to the templates section, and customizing the template by replacing and resizing a photo. Each step is explained in detail so that by the end of the tutorial you feel confident in your ability to make changes to the template and use it for your creative projects. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Figma website. Once you are on the Figma homepage, you will see a button labelled Login at the top right corner. Clicking on Login will take you to the next step in the process of accessing your account. Once you have clicked the Login button, you will then see options for signing in. Choose the option that says Continue with Google. This method allows you to quickly sign into Figma using one of your existing Google accounts without the need to create a separate Figma password. After you click Continue with Google, a list of your Google accounts will appear. Choose the Google account that you wish to use for Figma. This selection will authenticate your access, and you will soon find yourself successfully logged into the application. With your account now active, take a moment to become familiar with the interface. Notice the left panel where you will find various tabs and features that are essential for accessing templates and other design tools. In the left panel you will find a tab labelled Templates and Tools. Click on this tab to access a library of pre-made resources and templates. Once you have opened the Templates and Tools section, navigate to the search bar, which is located at the top right of the interface. In the search bar, type in the phrase Vintage Photobooth. This search criterion is designed to filter the available templates so that you only see those that match the Vintage Photobooth theme. Among the filtered results, you will see a template titled Vintage Photobooth Template. Select the Vintage Photobooth template from the list of search results. After selecting the template, the next action is to open it within Figma. To do this, click on Open in Figma so that the template loads within your Figma environment. Once it is open, you will be prompted to choose your team space where you want to work on the template. Select the appropriate team space to ensure that your work is stored in the correct project folder. After you have set up the team space, focus your attention on the right side of the screen where the working area section is located. The working area is where you can view and modify the elements of the template. To customize the template, you will now replace the existing photo. Simply drag and drop a new image file from your computer directly into the photo frame displayed on the working area. Once your photo has been added, you can easily resize the image to your desired dimensions by clicking on the image and dragging its corners as needed. When you are finished resizing your photo, the interface will update and present your modified output at the bottom of the screen. This concludes the step-by-step walkthrough for accessing and customizing the Vintage Photobooth template in Figma. By following each of these clear instructions, you have learned how to navigate to the template, open it in your workspace, and personalize it with your own imagery. Enjoy exploring further creative possibilities with Figma as you apply this process to enhance your design projects.